Sending automated proposals. The automated proposal feature streamlines your workflow by automatically sending tailored proposals and engagement letters to clients. It saves time, improves accuracy, and enhances client onboarding with minimal manual effort. To do that, create a proposal template manually or add one from the marketplace to your template library. Make sure you toggle on the Services and Invoices page to include your price list or ask for an acceptance deposit along with the engagement letter. In this case, we are including an invoice in the proposal. This means that once the proposal is signed, an invoice will be issued. Next, we are going to add the Send Proposal automation to the first stage of the pipeline of your choice. Remember to also toggle on the Auto Move for this stage so the job will automatically move to the next stage once the invoice is paid. If you select a proposal without an invoice, the job will move automatically to the next stage once the proposal is signed. Invoices issued along with the proposal will be automatically linked to the job, but you can always unlink them manually if you want the job to move automatically once the proposal is signed. If you want to automate client onboarding further and let the proposals be sent to clients automatically right after they sign up, you need to add triggers to the sign-up page. To do so, go to the Client Sign-up page under the Settings section and toggle on Start Jobs and trigger automations based on client sign-up answers. Create a sign-up question that triggers the job creation and indicates the pipeline where you already have automation for sending proposals added to the first stage. Now, when a new client signs up, they can select their interested service. Once they've done with the sign-up, they will receive a customized engagement letter without you lifting a finger.